All right, you're welcome back to Information. All right, remember subscribe, like our video, and comment. Okay, still on Chelee. All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy glass on Chelee. Remember, each glass has the price and how much you will get after purchasing it, or how much they'll pay you for using it. Okay, like this one right here is 11.03 dollars, but you will get up to 48. And the good thing about that is that I think there's a discount. Yes, because if you watch closely, you will notice that the amount you bought a glass, you are going to get times three of it. Yes, but some of the ones we have here, also just like this one, some of the ones we have here, there is a discount for it, and a more profit that will come from it. Just like this one, if you buy this 28 point some few cents, you're going to get 136. You understand? Okay, so that's that about that. So now let me say you want to purchase one of these glass. Okay, let's go with this 30. Let's go with that. Let me say I want to purchase that. I tap on buy now, then again I tap on buy, and this comes up. Now if I want to pay with Binance, I tap here and pay with Binance Pay. If it is with USDT, I'll tap here. If it is with Lee, I'll tap here. If it is with Google Play, I'll tap here. If it is through bank transfers, then I'll select this one right here. So that is it. Anyone you want to pay with, you select. And remember, I'm in Nigeria, so it's giving me this amount if I'm going to pay for that. Remember, the one we selected is $30 and some few cents. The amount it is in naira is 51,872 naira and some kobo. Okay, that is it. All right, like I said before, if you want to pay through Binance Pay, you tap here USDT, Lee, Google, and then bank transfer. But at present, I'm on bank transfer. You understand? So if you tap on it, you will see other options, which is debit card. You can do it through your debit card. If you have your debit card, you can just select this one and input your card details. Then if you don't want to do it using debit card, you can leave it on bank transfers in Nigeria. Then the next thing they're going to do, whichever one they want to do, just select it and follow the prompt. Okay, now I'm on bank transfers, then I'll say buy. There's a reason why I want to use this bank transfer. There's something I want to show you guys. Say buy. When you tap on buy, you say yeah, buy. You say yeah, buy. Okay. Okay, that is it. Now it will load. Now you input your email, your first name and your last name. After that, you say proceed. Okay, let me pause this video and do it, and I'll get back to you and tell you more about that. Okay, after inputting those things, you tap on proceed to checkout and it will bring you here. Now, this is what I want you to know. Pay attention to what I have to say. Whichever way you want to buy this, whichever way, whether USDT, Binance Pay, bank transfers, this or that, make sure that you transfer or you pay the exact amount that you see here, or the exact amount that you see in any other method of payment. For example, if you see, like what we have here is 52,221.93. If you mistakenly put 1 here, then you're supposed to leave or put 3. If you mistakenly put 1 here, your payment will not be successful. I repeat, pay the exact amount that you are seeing here. Pay the exact amount that you see in any method of payment. If you pay higher or lower than what was displayed on your screen, your payment will not be successful. Remember this. So that is that about that. Now, after that, after yeah, when this has come up, what you have to do is just to copy the account number. Remember, I selected bank transfer, so just copy the account number, go to your application, your bank app, and or maybe your USSD, but I always prefer bank app. So paste these things right here and just make your payment. So that is how you can pay for glasses on Chelee. You understand? So that is that about that. Do it and you'll be thankful that you did. So that's it about that. Do not pay more than what was shown to you. Do not pay more than that. So that is how to pay for glasses on Chelee. All right. Thank you very much for your time. Remember, this is information, and we are always here to give you updates on the latest trends of what can earn you money online and the rest of it. Thank you for your time and see you in our next video. Bye. And also remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can get this Chelee application from the description below in this video. Remember, it's a kind of a referral link. So thank you very much and see you in our next video.